The MQ-8C Fire Scout is the U.S. Navy's ship-based autonomous helicopter drone, based on the Bell 407 airframe with a 1,000-pound payload capacity and 16-plus hours of endurance. It flies at over 135 knots, carries Hellfire missiles or 70mm rockets, and uses advanced EO/IR sensors and radar for persistent maritime intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. In recent operations, it has performed ground refueling from CH-53E Super Stallions and conducted ship-to-shore missions, extending the reach of littoral combat ships and amphibious vessels. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow my channel for more content. Vet Miltech, daily from the drop zone.